Is Meenal Bonde and I am going to present project 1 for modeling and simulations. So first I would just go through the object that includes two parts. First is to represent a personal activity using data, and second is to represent a museum object using data. So the aim behind, like the steps behind this particular project are: first we have to observe uh, the object, analyze the details of the object and represent it using data. uh, I will go through the slides now. So for the first part of the project, I have gathered my daily meal activity data to determine the nutrient contents for a week. So these nutrient contents are labeled as carbs, proteins, fats, vitamin A and vitamin D. So to collect the data, I have used the images of daily meals, and to determine the nutrient content of the food, I have utilized internet to figure out what type of nutrients are present in the source of food that I am consuming. Going to the next slide, I have shown the uh, labels which I will use for the weekly activity. This is the pen paper made diagram for my daily consumption of carbs, proteins, fats, vitamin A and vitamin D. So basically the different signs are used and colors are used to represent it. And this diagram shows the different type of nutrients that are consumed per day for a week. So it also shows how the type of nutrient intake changes throughout the day. And this basically will help to understand what are the deficiency for the nutrient intake that has been done for a week, and it can be improved later. So this is another format of like total consumption for a week to determine uh, which particular nutrient is taken in higher content as compared to the others. And coming to the part 2, um, I have represented a blue whale object of the museum in the form of nested hash map. So this particular blue whale skeleton has been placed in Natural History Museum, London. And yeah, so basically over this slide on the left side you can see the blue whale skeleton, and using the nested hash map in JSON format, I've developed a data structure of nested dictionary for blue whale and its features. So you can see that there are different details like introduction, period, lifespan, and other details. So this basically are features, and other details are captured in nested hash maps. So these are the references where I have gathered my information and utilized the chart making online facilities. Thank you so much.